In this video, you'll learn about user preferences in WorldShare Record Manager Simplified Cataloging. After watching this video, you should be able to select an export format, set preferences for basic and advanced searching, and select a default view, MARC 21 or text view, for bibliographic records. In this video, we won't cover all the possible options, but detailed information is available in Help. To set user preferences, sign in to WorldShare Record Manager, select Metadata, then Record Manager, then User Preferences. Each username can select their own preferences. For example, you may prefer the MARC view of bibliographic records, and your coworker may prefer the text view. Click Exporting Bibliographic Records to expand that accordion. Although there are 11 formats listed, most libraries will select one of the first two, MARC 21 with MARC 8 or MARC 21 with UTF-8 Unicode. Check with the person in your library who administers your local library system to see which one you should use. Unicode allows your catalog to display diacritics and special characters that are commonly used in languages other than English. If in doubt, select MARC 21 with UTF-8 Unicode, which is a default. Click Searching Advanced to expand that accordion. When your search results in a single record, do you want to see a brief display in a results list, or do you want to view the full record? If you want to view a full record, select Open Record for editing. Select a language of cataloging. This is the language of the bibliographic records, not the language of the works the records describe. Most libraries in the United States will select English. In Source of Cataloging, if you select DLC, when you do an advanced search, your results will be limited to records created by Library of Congress. Most people will want to select any, which is the default. By default, both search scopes, All WorldCat and My Library Holdings are selected, and All WorldCat is selected as a default. Most people will want to accept these defaults. This is the default list of search indexes on the Advanced Search screen. You can customize which indexes display and in which order. To do this, click the search scope name. For this example, All WorldCat. Deselect the checkboxes for any indexes you do not want displayed on the Advanced Search screen. Use the arrows in the first column to change the order in which indexes are listed. You can also choose a default sorting method for search results. The default is relevance, but you can choose any of the other sorting methods as a default. You can always select a different sorting method for an individual search. Next, click Searching Basic to expand that accordion. This section of preferences is similar to advanced searching. When your search results in a single record, do you want to see a brief display in a results list, or do you want to view the full record? If you want to view a full record, select Open Record for editing. Next, select your default search results format. The condensed search results screen has fields from each record displayed horizontally in columns. You can sort by title, author, or publication date. The enhanced search results screen has fields from each record displayed vertically, followed by the next record. If you prefer condensed results, select that box. If you prefer enhanced results, deselect the checkbox. For condensed search results, you can customize which fields display and in which order. Deselect the checkbox for any columns you do not want displayed. Use the arrows in the first column to change the order in which columns display. You can always select a different display for an individual search. Click Working with Records to expand that accordion. The MARC 21 view of a record has tags, indicators, and subfield codes. The text view of a record has labeled fields. Select your preferred view. You can always select a different view for an individual record. The list of holding library codes are the ones OCLC has profiled for your institution. Unless you have a reason to select a specific code, you can accept the default. Select the classification scheme that your library uses. At the top of the screen, click Save. A confirmation message displays. If you need additional help with user preferences, please visit help.oclc.org for documentation, training, and contact information for OCLC support in your region.